we are going thrifting again today in this video. Thank you guys so much for the love in my last thrifting video. If you guys want this to be a regular thing, let me know in the comments down below. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you guys here. It just means a lot that you're watching this video. So if you give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below, it really helps me out with the algorithm. We're at the very first thrift store for today. We're going to another one after this, so I'm super excited about that. I'm really looking for a lot of summer pieces, just stuff to wear over the summer, just some colorful tops and bottoms for the summer. So let's go ahead and get into the thrift store. For the first thrift store, I went straight for the color section. I was really just aiming for a lot of color, as you guys can tell, but I found this super cute green top. I was really debating on it, wasn't sure yet. I also kept finding these golf tops, which I thought was so cute and trendy. And then I also came across this pink sweater, which was really adorable. As you can see, I was debating on this top, but sadly, I did not get it. I just got back from the first thrift store and there was stuff that was cute, but it was stuff that I was like, am I actually even gonna wear this? Is it actually gonna fit? I saw this green top that was super cute. I loved the design of it, but for some reason I was like, there's no way for me to wear this, and there's a car pulling up in front of me. Yeah, I was like, how am I gonna wear this? I'm gonna try the next thrift store. For this next thrift store, I found so many gems. Like, once I saw something that I loved, after that it was just like me grabbing everything. But of course I had to make sure that I'd actually wear it. And then I also kept finding these really cute golf shirts, but they were a little too big or just not my style. I also found these really cute green shoes. They were a little too big and beat up, but I just thought they were cute. This is the cutest vest I've ever seen. Oh my goodness. The buttons are all still there. It's just one X. That's the thing. I was also really aiming just for sleeveless tops, not really t-shirts or like sweaters or stuff like that. Again, stuff that I just needed for the summertime. I feel like I had a pretty good selection of things, so I'm so excited to show you guys. Guys, I'm sorry the AC is so loud, but it's so hot. I just got back from the second thrift store and I am so freaking happy with everything that I bought. You guys have no freaking clue. I think this is the best thrift with me ever that I've ever done. I feel like I had such good luck today. I am so happy. Okay, I'm gonna go home, wash the clothes, and we're gonna do a haul. Yay! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Excuse my stuff down there, just don't even worry about it. So it's now the next day. I'm gonna try out the stuff that I bought. It's crazy because once I headed to the second store, I saw something I loved, and then after that I just started pulling stuff and I was like, wait, I like this, I like this. And by the end of it, I could have had more than what I have now, but I controlled myself and I asked myself the questions like, am I actually gonna wear it? But I ended up getting 7 things. I'm so happy with all of them. A couple of them I am gonna crop and make them fit my needs so that I will actually wear it. This is probably my best thrift ever. Okay, let's start off with the first thing that 100% caught my eye and that started this whole thrift with me. It is this beautiful top. Look at the patterns. I love the blue flowers. I love the neckline. It's a size medium. I'm gonna try it on. It is like a mesh material. It's very delicate. I just love the design of it. It's not cropped, but I think I can be okay with that. I'm gonna see how I can style it. Yeah, let's try it on. Oh my gosh. Just look how stunning. It has like a lining right here, but not actually a lining. I just love how it looks. I paired it with these jeans that are mid-rise, so I thought it would look really cute together. You guys, it's so in style right now. I feel like a lot of people would buy this on like Princess Polly or something. So this top was $3.99. That's a really good price. Next, I got two basic tops. I have this green tank and it's just a spaghetti strap. I was planning on cropping this so that it would look super cute for the summertime. And then I have this tank top, which is a purple color. I don't know if you can see it. There's just like a little bit of brown right here. I mean, if you really look hard, you can see it, but it's not too bad. I was also planning to crop this one because I thought it'd be a really cute basic crop top. So here is the purple top. I cropped it. I feel like I cropped it a little bit too short, but it's okay. At least it fits well with like high-waisted jeans. That's what I'm wearing right now, or just some high-waisted jeans. I think I just really needed like a simple basic top like this, especially for the summertime. This is basically all I go for. So here is the green one. Don't even mind my bra straps. Don't worry about it. I just think it's such a staple for the summertime. I feel like green is so in, so I really wanted a green one. The next thing that I wanted to show you guys is this top that I found, and I just thought it was super unique and different and super cute. So it is a button up, and I love it so much. I guess the green top, it's not the best color match, but oh my gosh, you guys. This is so cute. Look at the sleeves. I love it so much. Okay, I now have it on with this like tube top. Okay, this is super cute. Do you guys see it? I have these new pink sunglasses from Princess Polly. And then like a pink purse. Stop! I'm getting a little ahead of myself. But this is the freaking cutest thing I've ever thrifted, besides the blue tank top. But oh my gosh, you guys. This is why you thrift. You just find things that no one else will really have, you know? You guys, this is so freaking cute. I'm dying. I'm gonna stop hyping myself up. The next top that I got is something that I just thought I would need, especially for the summertime. It's super cute, flowy. It's like the perfect material for summer. So let me try this on. It's a mesh material with like flower detailing, and you can tie it. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. And then you just tie it. I have like, I think one more top that looks like this. It's so like girly, and I definitely feel like I'm gonna wear this a lot. I do have a white bralette that I feel like is good enough coverage just to wear under this. Besides this tube top, it's girly, it's simple, it's perfect. Okay, moving on. We have two more things. It's this, I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but it's like a muted green, very pastel green. I loved the neckline, so let's try her on. So this is the top on. I just really loved the square neckline. If I were to like crop it, I'm not sure how delicate this fabric is, so I'm not sure if I should even do it, but that's what it would look like. I think what really intrigued me was the square neckline and just how elegant it looks. If you guys haven't noticed, I got all tops. Okay, I think I have one last item. This one's a bit random. It is this t-shirt, and it says Sunflower Volume 6, and if you guys know, you know. It's a Harry Styles song, so I really just needed to get it. I texted it to my little sister, and she said, all caps, get it. Okay, so the yellow is obviously a really pretty color. It has the most beautiful design. It's a sunflower, obviously. But that is that. That is everything that I got from the thrift store. I'm so freaking happy with everything. I've never been this happy, especially with a thrift with me. Like, this stuff is good stuff. If you guys want more videos like this, please let me know in the comments below. I would honestly love to keep doing them. And if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure to do so you can see all of these wonderful clothes in action. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!